This is Sandra with part 2 of the celebration of the increased number of folks who have made choices to depart from the confines and the restraints of living lifestyles that don't add up to full freedom, fulfillment, and contentment. And a lot of those folks have come out of religious assemblies, which for the most part manage to keep people in restrictive lifestyles. So, salutes to you all for the courage that you have exercised to join the ranks of people who are on missions for further spiritual elevation. And I say to those folks who are afraid to reveal to people in their lives, their loved ones and so forth, that they are no longer in the company of those sheep that are following a shepherd that has been proven to be a myth, and that shepherd is named Jesus. And I'm thankful that more people realize that God doesn't need a middleman, and that the universe can be trusted to enhance our lives, to encourage us, to guide us, to strengthen us, and to provide for us, as long as we line up with its natural and universal laws. And it's not complicated. And yes, the departure of some of the folks in our lives may, for some, prove to be more than slightly challenging. But I can assure you that when you let go, it is well worth all that walks away. And other folks will come into your life, into your lives, to add to your journey forward. And that's a certainty. The universe doesn't do anything but play ace games, shoot bullseyes and slam dunks on the regular. So thank you for joining the ranks. And don't be afraid. And it reminds me of the birds leaving the nest. And the nest serve you in some measures that cannot be disregarded. But you're ready to climb higher. You're ready for departure from the hilltops to the mountaintops. And I say thank you for your contributions, and recognize that you will discover your own unique signature journeys. And some folks can give you guidance, but nothing and no one can substitute for your own personal signature styles being accomplished. So just understand you can rest, and don't be afraid, and be assured that you are never alone. You are always accompanied by the elements, by nature, by the universal provisions, and it is more than enough. It's in overflow when you practice according to how the universe leads. Yes, it is bountiful. It is splendor in elevated statuses. Oh, there is nothing more delightful than owning your freedom and going within and trusting and walking and communing with your intuition and learning how to further enhance it. Thank y'all for listening. Bye now.